In this question, we have to move negative elements to the left side of an array. Suppose we have given this array, we have to move all the negative elements -4, -4 and -6 to the left side of the array, and remaining positive elements to the right side of the array. So let's see the algorithm. What we will do, we will first initialize a variable j equals to 0. Then we will traverse the loop from 0 to the last element of the array. Then we check that if that element is greater than, it's less than 0. If it is less than 0, then we swap the element of that array at ith and jth position. Then we increment the j variable to 1. Let's see, suppose initially j equals to 0. And we will traverse the loop. We get I की value 0. Then we will check if array of I less than 0. Yes. Then we swap the elements of array at ith and jth position. So if we change the position of the ith and jth, so j is also equals to 0 and I is also equals to 0. Then -4 remains at its position. Then array will become, here we get -4. Now, then we will increment j by 1, so j become 1. Then we again traverse the loop. I equals to 0, 1, I equals to 0 तो हो चुका. Then I equals to 1. तो if array of I 10 less than 0, no. Then I equals to 3. 2 less than 0, no. Then I equals to 4. At I equals to 4. Means at I equals to 3, we get a negative element. Means array of 3, which is -4, is less than 0. So we will swap it with jth value. Jth value is 1. So we will swap the elements of j and I in the array. So we will get here -4, -4, 2, 10, -6. And then increment the value of j by 1, which is 2. Now check I equals to 4. The value of I equals to 4th element is also negative. So I equals to 4. Then we will swap the element of I equals to 4 and j equals to 2. तो ये 2th पोजीशन के और कौन सी हमारी ith 2th पोजीशन ये और ith पोजीशन ये, इसके एलिमेंट को स्वैप कर देंगे हम. तो वी विल गेट द अरे. This is our output. Let's see the code of the above implementation. Here we will have to define the function rearrange, in which we have to move all the negative elements to the left side of the array. So see, first I am here initialize the variable j equals to 0, then traverse the loop from 0 to length of array. Here n is denoting the length of array. Now check if array of I is less than 0, then swap the elements of array of I and array of j. Then increment j by 1. Now return array. We will get here our output.